So, you want to add a little defensive spell casting to your barbarian. There are quite a few reaction spells that don't have concentrate. Actually, most of the reaction spells that add some defensive capabilities don't have this. My favorite one is Interposing Earth. There are a few other good ones. Wooden Double is pretty good. And there's several other ones as well. You can just look for reaction spells and on Archives of Nethys and find quite a few. Interposing Earth I find to be the most useful here because it gives you cover, which means that it might actually cause the attack to miss. It gives you cover, and then that cover cancels out part of the damage. So it does also reduce the damage you take. If it takes so much damage that it destroys the Interposing Earth cover, then it goes away. If the damage that it takes is less than the hardness of the wall that it creates, it will just sit there. So, for example, say it fully negates the attack. Say it gives you cover and that caused the attack to miss. Then that cover wall is still there. And on the next attack, if it goes through that same direction, you will still have cover there until it gets destroyed. So this is a pretty good use of a reaction on a barbarian. Of course, if you're trying to do extra damage, getting Reactive Strike is always a good option for a barbarian, but maybe you want a little defensive action, and Interposing Earth is an excellent spell that you can get through many different spellcasting archetypes, and it'll potentially fully block attacks or maybe just reduce the damage a little bit. But either way, that's pretty useful.